Look at all these beautiful colors. And it's so hot outside. Ashe.
All right, cousin, so I got this cookbook, and we're going to make these spicy marinated shrimp. Now, I went and got me some green onion out of my garden and cut it up and put it in a bowl with some extra virgin olive oil. Ooh, there you go. And some lemon. Squeeze the lemon. It hurt kind of. And a lime. That was even harder.
This is organic too. Organic. Organic. Okay. Organic all the way. It's so organic! Yeah! And these chives are organic. It's organic. Okay? It's organic. 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 Okay? Garlic clove. Smashing my garlic to open it up. Very good. Good. It didn't work. But we got Louisiana hot sauce. Yeah. Okay. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Oh, I did want to add banana peppers into it, so so good. Oh my God. The flavor that you can get from those. Look at that. Look at that. This is the sauce that we're going to be putting on these shrimp. All right. A while to find this, but this one is a non-GMO. Yes, I can make dressing myself, but it would have cost me more to get all the individual ingredients to just buy this. Okay. All right. There we go. Oops. All right. Look at that. They're so pretty. You're just so pretty.
So, cousin, after that, I made a salad with spinach, all of those banana peppers, onions, tomato. Oh, my gosh, it's so pretty. All these beautiful colors. And with a salad like this, you want to go outside, especially if it's hot, and just sit down and enjoy, cousin. Thanks again for watching. Let me know if you will try this recipe too.
This is how you got to eat. Bye, cousin.